Many times we feel strained psychologically because of the worry. We are having a lot of problems, we feel powerless, we feel vulnerable, and with this, it makes us always be in a panicky mood. We are always worried. We are always fearing. Worry is a state of mind or whereby you don't feel comfortable, you are no longer feeling at ease, you are not feeling comfortable, you are feeling troubled, you feel as if the world is chasing you, you feel that the world, you are not at peace. And so, now, today, I want to discuss how do you cope with the worries. Because worries come in because you are anticipating negative result of an event or focusing on the worst case scenarios. You are thinking something bad will happen, or bad memories, they are troubling you. So, how can you manage worry so that you are able to live comfortably, emotionally, and psychologically at ease? 1. Stay at the present. Concentrate on what is actually within your control. Don't concentrate on things which you cannot control. There are things which you have no control. Some things you cannot control, you cannot change them, you cannot change the situation, the way things are. Even if you try, you may not be having resources because you can, for example, if you are worried, feeling that you know me, I'm bitter, I may never be successful, that one doesn't help you. So what am I saying? Stay on the present. Do what you can. Stay on the present. Don't be worried of the future, but plan for the future. Now, gather information. Gather information. If you are worried of unknown, gather information about that situation so that you have a strategic approach, a strategic planning, so that when it comes to that time, you are able to handle because you have got enough information. Information is power. You have gathered enough information, you have gathered enough data, you are now ready to face the unfortunate situation when it comes. Then another point is, make a to-do list. Every day, plan. Make a to-do list in terms of prioritization. Do 1, 2, 3, and 4. You don't have to finish it the whole day. And you don't even have to worry that you have not finished it. Do first things first, and last things which are not urgent and which are not urgent and important, leave it. Something which is urgent but not important, also you can delegate it to someone. Things which are not urgent, not important, leave it. You can discard it, postpone it for a week, for a month, or you forget about it. Then another thing is, keep a journal. Write about what worries you. The time when you are worried, just do journal. Have a book to record. When I have been annoyed, when I've been worried, I've been scared, I've been frightened, what has happened? You put the journal, put things down, and with this is going to help you so that you can provide intervention strategy, because now you know the cause of your worry. You are able to conquer when you journal the problem. Now also, you can also talk to supporting people. When you are worried about a situation, share with the people who support you. Very close confidants, your family members, and other significant people. But please, you have to be very careful that you don't share your problems with everybody. Big mouth, people are going to broadcast and they say that so and so was approaching me, he has got a big problem, or she has got a big problem, they are broken at their relationship, and now he is worried or she is worried. These people who are going to go and gossip about you, please leave them alone, and don't be careful. Don't be sparingly with be very, very economical with the problems which are worrying you, unless you have that person in confidence. Then another one is also focus on the positive things. Positive things, I mean you have got certain characteristics which are going to help you to weather the world of worries. You may be resilient. Somebody who is so resistant, even in the midst of problem, you don't give up. You have got resilience as a character. Then there is the aspect of networking. You have got a number of friends whom you can share and talk with. This is also a strength. You have also been involved in planning things. You have also done things successfully. Then this is something which is positive. Focus on these things which are going to help you to overcome the worry. Then access your worries by having a plan. In case this happens, what can I do? Don't assume what you are worrying cannot happen. It can happen. So in case of it happening, what can you do? So have a strategy, have a plan, and this is going to minimize your worries. Otherwise, thank you very much. It's Mutia Rukwa, your family therapist and a relationship coach, and also of the channel A Moment with Rukwaro. Have a great day, and for those who have been having worry as a problem, I hope now you have a cure. Thank you.